Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. A Facebook page where you are an admin and business manager access. Once confirmed, create or register a Messenger app and retrieve the page access token. This token lets your bot send and receive messages. Next, decide your bot's core purpose, FAQ, lead capture, or sales automation, because that choice shapes conversation flows and required data. While doing this, make sure to note any permissions needed and prepare sample user prompts and responses for rapid testing. Once you have the token and plan, build the conversation using a flow builder or connect an NLP platform such as Dialogflow. Map intents and entities to expected user inputs, then design quick replies and a persistent menu for common actions. This reduces friction. After that, set up your webhook URL, add a verify token, and subscribe the page to messaging events so Messenger forwards user messages. Finally, test each intent with varied wording to ensure the bot matches correctly and recovers from misunderstandings. You finalize by testing thoroughly with test users and iterative tweaks. Test edge cases, slow connections, and multi-turn dialogues. Once satisfied, submit the app for necessary permissions and publish your bot to the page. After launch, monitor logs, delivery rates, and fallback messages to spot problems quickly. If something fails, first check your page access token, webhook callback URL, and app permissions. These are the usual culprits. If issues persist, roll back recent changes, reproduce the error, and adjust your flow logic accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.